Welcome to Oracle Application Express Apex Regions Reports, Part 4. In this lesson, we're going to take a look at the classic report inside of Apex. Up until this point, every time I wanted to show a new feature, I created a new page to show that new feature. Just for a change of pace, I'm going to edit an existing page and add a new region to it. If I'm logged in as a developer, I'll have my bar along the bottom of the screen here, and I'm going to select Edit Page 6. If I right-click on Regions, I have the ability to create a new region on this page. Once I do that, I'm taken to a wizard that looks very similar to the wizards we see when we create a new page. I'm going to create a new report, and instead of Interactive Report, I'm going to choose Classic Report. It's called Classic Report because this was the original way to create reports in older versions of Oracle Application Express. I'm going to give it a title of Movie Audit. You'll notice that it picks a sequence of 20. The other region on the page has a sequence of 10. That's going to be very important for us coming up. Just like the wizard in the interactive report, we're presented with a page that allows us to use Query Builder to create a query that will drive this particular region. This time I'm going to select Movie Audit, select the columns I want to see. Just to make sure it looks okay, if I click Run, I'll see an example of what the report will look like. Once I click on Return, the SQL is returned to the wizard, and I can continue. I can change if I want to have any break columns, the number of rows per page. Do I want to give the users the ability to output information, search information, sort by column headings? I'm not going to select any of those pieces for now. I'm just going to click Next. I can also use conditions to determine if I want this region displayed or not. Just like every other page of the wizard, we can go back later on and make changes if we need to. For now, I'm not going to have any conditional statements on this region. Once I say Accept, and then run the page, you'll notice I have my original movie report here at the top, and then a second report region here at the bottom. I can move this region here at the bottom to come first if I wanted to. If I edit the page here at the bottom of the screen, then edit the Movie Audit region, I can scroll down and change the sequence number to something less than the sequence of my other region. The other region on this page has a sequence number of 10. So if I change this to, let's say, 8, select Apply Changes, and then run the page, you'll notice that the Movie Audit region now appears before my Interactive Report region. If I wanted these two regions to appear side by side, I can do that also. If I edit the page and edit my List of Movies region, there's an attribute that says Start on a New Row. If I change that to No, Oracle will then place the regions side by side and not start a new row when displaying the second region. If I say Apply Changes and then I run the page again, you'll see that the two regions are now side by side.